Every takeoff leads to an estimate, and with Stack, you can get to your estimate faster and more accurately. While many love our powerful integrated estimating tools, sometimes you need the extended power of Excel worksheets. Introducing Stack for Excel, powered by Velixo. Stack for Excel is a powerful, secure Excel add-in that lets you pull Stack data straight into your spreadsheets. No more manual exports. You can build custom reports and estimates 100% your way, while leveraging your Stack project data, including takeoffs, sheets, items, tags, and labels, with all their relevant quantities. Stack for Excel uses standard Excel formula nomenclature with simple yet powerful functions and arguments to pull exactly the data you need. For example, here we're pulling just the item quantities for a given takeoff on a given sheet. You can also sync up Stack data pulled from these functions with your own Excel formulas or manual inputs. In this estimate, these columns are populated directly from the Stack project, while these columns use Excel formulas, and these are manual user inputs. When your project changes, the data in Excel stays in sync. For example, you add doors to your project which were not in your estimate yet. In Excel, you simply refresh the Stack data and all your manual entries like unit costs and markups stay aligned, while the new doors show up as new line items. Since you are in Excel, you can format any of your data the way you want, including page layouts for printing. Ready to try it out? Use our pre-built Excel templates to get started quickly or book a demo with a product expert today.